Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Fresh Flavors. Today I'm going to show you how I make this hearty breakfast casserole with only 4 ingredients in 30 minutes. This casserole is any meat and potato lover's dream. You first crack 6 eggs into a large glass bowl. Next, add in a cup of milk and whisk the two together. Add in 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. You'll need more for the top as well. Add 1 can of corned beef hash. Grease a baking dish with cooking spray and add the mixture to the dish. Add more cheese and top with fresh cracked black pepper. Do not add salt to this recipe. There is plenty of salt in the corned beef hash and cheese. Bake at 375 for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the eggs are set. For more simple, fresh flavors, be sure to hit that plus sign and give me a follow.